This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious cabbage rolls with ground beef and rice. First, select a large, firm cabbage, around 2 to 3 pounds. Carefully remove the core, then blanch the entire head in boiling water for about 5 to 10 minutes until the outer leaves soften. Gently peel off about 12 to 15 large, pliable leaves, trimming any thick veins for easier rolling. This preparation ensures your rolls are tender and easy to work with. Next, let's prepare the hearty filling. In a large bowl, combine 1.5 pounds of ground beef with 1 cup of cooked rice. Add 1 finely chopped onion, 2 cloves of minced garlic, and 1 egg to bind everything together. Season generously with 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and a dash of paprika for a rich flavor. Mix thoroughly until all ingredients are well combined, ensuring an even distribution of flavor. Now it's time to assemble your cabbage rolls. Lay a blanched cabbage leaf flat, placing a generous spoonful of the meat and rice filling near the stem end. Fold in the sides of the leaf, then roll it up tightly from the stem end towards the tip. Arrange the finished rolls snugly in a large pot or Dutch oven, seam side down. You can use any remaining cabbage leaves to line the bottom and top of the pot. Finally, let's cook these delicious rolls to perfection. Pour a 28-ounce can of your favorite tomato sauce evenly over the layered cabbage rolls. Add 1 cup of water or beef broth to the pot, along with a bay leaf for extra aroma. Bring the liquid to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and cook for 2 to 3 hours. The rolls should be fork tender and the flavors beautifully melded. Serve warm and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.